Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your file and turning Designer on. It uses slide content to propose layouts. Once done, place a prominent title and a single image or text box because Designer reacts faster to clear elements. Make sure to keep text short, 3 to 5 bullet lines, and choose an image that matches slide intent. You'll see thumbnail suggestions appear to the right. Pick one to apply, or click more to browse alternate auto layouts and variations. Once a layout is applied, you refine it deliberately. Move or resize the image, adjust margins, and align text so the visual hierarchy is clear. You should replace generic copy with one-sentence headlines and swap filler images for high-quality visuals that support your message. Make sure to harmonize colors and fonts with your template so Designer won't fight custom styles. If text overflows, shorten phrases rather than shrinking type, because readable type preserves impact. You finish by reviewing each slide and checking transitions and timing before exporting to PDF or presenting. If Designer stops offering options, toggle the Designer switch off and back on, or restart PowerPoint. This refreshes suggestions. When a slide looks inconsistent, simplify. Remove extra shapes, consolidate text, then reapply a suggestion so Designer reevaluates content. Remember to keep visuals purposeful. That's why
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.